Today we're just going to do a little stucco patch. I'm going to show you how I did it. Today we're going to do a little patch job on this stucco here. Here's what's going on. This is why you're having problems. There's no rain gutters and they got two roofs. One comes down this way, one comes down this way. The water runs down over the top, the snow builds up and it's falling apart. So what I'm going to do is just get the bad spots. That's it. And redo it. No big deal. See, the block underneath is rotting away because of the water. Then we just get a little wire brush. Wire brush everything right off of it. All the loose stuff. We're doing white stucco, so I'm using white silica sand. I'm going to go 1-to-1. And I'm using Federal White Cement. It's white Portland, P-O-R-T-L-A-N-D. Now I'm mixing it up. 1 part Portland, 1 part sand. Very, very rich. Mix it up about that consistency. Real pasty looking. Now I'm just getting plain water. No bonding agents, none of that stuff. Just plain water. They make sure it's in there good. Especially when you're doing stucco. Plain water. I'm gonna put it on. It's awful strong. You're not too worried about it. Just like that. To match the cement, just get the broom like that. See that? No big deal. This is nothing. Okay, set up a little bit, so we're just gonna match what they did. It's still wet. No big deal. See that? That's all, no big deal. We're not going to go crazy with it. See that? Just match it up. Well, it's all matching up. Ain't no big deal. It's all matching up. I'm going to try to talk him into putting a rain gutter up there. I won't be back here doing this anymore. And then we're just getting a sponge and cleaning off the bad spots. That's all. Look at that. I'm going to talk about that job a little bit. 90% of those kind of jobs that have problems, it's because they don't have rain gutters, or in that case, they plow the snow up against the building. It's laying there, the water's dripping on it, the ice gets in there, and it busts the stucco off. So around these parts, mortar doesn't work for a stucco. They make synthetic stuccos now, even that don't work. Once the water penetrates in there, it busts it off. That's why I always use Portland. Mortar will flake off and it turn to dust. So that's what I do. If you're going to do stucco, make sure they got rain gutters. Make sure they're not plowing the snow up against the building. Bonding agents don't work, nothing works. When that ice starts getting in that, you're done. I hope these little jobs help. Thanks for watching. I'm Mike Haduck. Until next video.